Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea, and today is the first episode of my Itaki Shabuki series. What better way to start than a simple stir-fry favorite, beef and broccoli? Let's get started. Okay, so I've prepared all of my ingredients beforehand, which you could do the morning of or the night before. And I've put them in these tiny little containers. They're so convenient. I can take all of my prepared ingredients and cook them anywhere. If you are going to be cooking away from home in the Itaki, I definitely recommend that you get a nice decent set that is leak-proof and stores compactly. I've got links below to the containers I used. Okay, so I have here 1 minced clove of garlic and a thinly sliced piece of ginger about 1/3 the size of my thumb. I've got a medium crown of broccoli cut into bite-sized pieces. I also have here a 1/4 pound of flank steak cut into thin pieces, which has been marinating overnight in this container. To make the marinade, combine 1/3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/3 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt, pepper, and baking soda. Add the marinade to the beef and stir. Marinate the beef at least half an hour. In this container, I have the sauce for my beef and broccoli. It's 1/2 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 2/3 tablespoon of water, 1/3 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. And of course, rice. Prepare whatever serving size you think is most appropriate for you. I used 2 cups of the cup that comes with the Itaki Pro. This is roughly 80 milliliters of uncooked raw rice. All right, now it's time to cook. First, we're going to start off by making a single portion of rice. We'll be cooking the rice in the steamer tray of the Shabuki pot. Now, this bowl is from the Itaki Pro. However, you can use any steam-proof dish to cook your rice so long as it fits in the steamer tray. So let's wash our rice, and we'll do this by adding a good amount of water to the rice, swirling the rice around, and then pouring the water out. Do this another 2 times. This just cleans the rice and gets rid of any excess starch. The rice to water ratio is 1:1, so we're going to add 80 milliliters of water to our washed rice. Now add about 2 cups of water to the Shabuki pot. Place the bowl of rice into the steamer basket and place the steamer basket on top of the Shabuki pot. Close the lid and turn the pot to low heat. Let it steam for about 20 minutes. After the rice has been steaming for 20 minutes, add the broccoli to the water, then place the steamer basket back on the Shabuki pot. Let it cook for about 5 minutes or to your desired tenderness. When your broccoli is at your desired tenderness, quickly strain and drain your broccoli and run the broccoli in the steamer tray under cold water. This step is completely optional. It's to stop the broccoli from cooking further and to help your broccoli maintain its current texture and color. Your rice is done by now too, so there's no need to put the steamer tray back on the Shabuki pot. Okay, now let's cook the beef. Turn on the Shabuki pot to low, then add 1/3 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the garlic and ginger and saute until fragrant. The Shabuki pot heats up pretty quickly, so this will take seconds. Then add in the beef and cook for about another minute or 2. Add the sauce and stir until thickened. Add in the broccoli and give a quick toss. And done. Finally, now you can take some of your beef and broccoli and pour it over your rice and enjoy. Thank you again for joining me today. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more food ideas to making your Shabuki.